Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of premium sound with the JBL Tune 720BT wireless over-ear headphones, designed to deliver the renowned JBL Pure Bass sound that powers famous venues worldwide. Experience the freedom of wireless listening with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, allowing you to stream high-quality audio from your smartphone without the hassle of cords. With an impressive battery life of up to 76 hours and a speed charge feature, these headphones ensure your music never stops. Customize your listening experience with the free JBL Headphones App, offering preset EQ modes and adjustable EQ curves to match your style and content. Enjoy hands-free calls with Voice Aware, which lets you hear your voice while talking, and easily manage your sound with convenient ear cup buttons. The lightweight, comfortable, and foldable design makes the JBL Tune 720BT perfect for on-the-go use, ensuring you enjoy your favorite tunes wherever you are. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.